guys, my name is Bicana. Thanks so much for checking out my channel. If you watch this video all the way through, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe to stay tuned for more videos. So I recently went thrifting and I picked up some turtlenecks, so that's all I'm going to show with you guys today. And I'm going to insert a picture of a purse that I picked up. I'm going to leave the link to my Depop down below because I do plan on selling all these items on Depop for a moderate price. I just want to make a investment. Is that what the word is? I want to make a return. So I'm just going to we can work out something if you want to buy it, if you think you like it, if you want to buy it on my Depop, just message me. But anyways, the first one I have, which I wore in a recent video, my Fashion Nova haul, which was the first time I ever bought from Fashion Nova, is this orange turtleneck. And tell me it's not cute. It's super duper soft and the sleeves are really, really long and it's super duper stretchy. It can fit a lot of sizes, I bet. I got it for $3.49 and it's also from Liz Claiborne. It's really, really, really good quality. I really like it. And melanin and orange equals 150%. It looks really, really good on tan, beautiful, dark chocolate skin. Okay? Alright, I'm gonna stop. The next one I have is this, which is also $3.49. I think everything is $3.49 except for one, which I'll let you know. But isn't this really cute? It's black and green and two-tone. Like, of course, it's it's three-toned. Like, it's green on this side with white on the very end, if you can see that. Plot twist. It's also white on this side, but with white. I think it would be so cool if it had a green on this side, like on the very end, like how it has the white on the very end. But this one is so cute and it's big and the sleeves are very, it fits. It's really nice. Yeah, the material is really, really soft and I really like the concept. I really, really want to sell some cool items on my Depop, some items that I would buy, and honestly, I would keep that, but I really know someone would wear it more than I would wear it. So you guys know that company Off-White that has the wording on the neck part of their sweaters and dresses, sweater dresses and stuff like that, and they also have I don't know, but there's some other companies that have smaller prints. I think that's really dope. And when I went to the thrift store, this is $3.99, so this is probably the most expensive one. I found one. It's not an Off-White sweater, but it does say Docs on the collar, on the turtleneck part. So just imagine wearing that. That's cool. I know it's cool. I know you guys like that. I know you like it. Didn't I say I was gonna stop with the ugly faces? But the sleeves is so long, they're so cool. They bulge up, and a lot of people might not like that, but I think that's so cute. It's super duper long. So if you really want to be interactive with me, and if you even watch it this far, let me know what you guys think. Should I crop this, or should I crop it and try to hem it? I can find someone. Sorry, I'm just looking at a whole mess. Sorry. Should I crop it and find someone who can hem it? Or should I just leave it really long? Because it's really cute and the person, whoever wants to buy it, can do whatever they want with it. So if you guys would just let me know, I'll just figure it out on my own either way. But it's also really, really soft. And I like that it's gold printed for the docs. But it's super duper big and I really like that. I really like that look. So the next one that I have is this green turtleneck. And this one was $1.99 because I got it from the little boys section. When you go thrifting, go everywhere, because look at this. I bet you wouldn't have thought you could have picked this up from the little boy section for $1.99. It's really soft, and the sleeves are really, really nice. It's like a line down at the very bottom, so it cinches on your wrist. And it's a really nice color for fall. It's not even fall, it's winter. Is it winter yet? I think it's winter on December 20-something, and it's not December 20-something yet. So for fall, winter, spring, summer, you can wear it whenever you want to wear it, sis or bro. But I really, really like it. So like I said, if I didn't say it, I'm all over the place, I'm so sorry. But I'm gonna leave my Depop link below if you guys want to go check out some other pieces that I have. So I really hope you guys like this video and check out my other videos. My other haul videos, thrift haul videos, have much more cooler items, and I'll keep the footage rolling. I'll keep going shopping, getting some stuff, and I'll stop rambling. So thank you so much. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Thanks so much for checking out my video, and have a good day, night, morning, whatever it may be. I'm gonna shut up now. Bye.
Things I thought that